Hey everyone, Kyle here to explain what the heck are wireless LED bracelets, how they work, and why you should be interested in them. Before we get into this video, I want to assure you it's not going to be technical. This is a simple explanation video for our late show viewers. Alright, so let's jump in. So first up, you'll notice that there is a little slider on the top of the bracelet, and when you turn this slider on, you'll notice that there is a little red LED. That just indicates that the bracelet is now on. And then once the bracelet is on, when you come to our show, you'll be able to be part of the show. As a show designer, we can incorporate these bracelets as other props. So if we want them to light up, say, orange or green or purple for a Halloween show or something like that, we'll be able to do that, and all you have to do is just slide the slider on and you'll be part of the show. When it's time to leave, you can just slide the little slider off and that will save the battery. So when you come back, if you're coming back to say one of our Christmas shows, you can slide the little slider back on. We'll slide a couple of these on just for this video. So you come back at Christmas time, and then instead of using orange, green, and purple, we could do, say, red, white, and green. We can do any combination with these bracelets and really make you feel like you're part of our show. If the battery ever dies or this light is not lighting up, then you can flip the bracelet over. There's a Phillips screw holding the battery cover on, and it just uses a normal watch battery. You can replace that, go into any of your local convenience stores or electronic stores to get a replacement watch battery. Now, if you ever run into an issue with these bracelets, if they're not working or anything like that, feel free to send us a message on our social media channels. We'll be happy to dig in and try to figure out what's going on. Well, we hope you guys all enjoy the bracelets, and we can't wait to see you be part of our show.